JD 26 here, just do tips and repairs. And hi, you guys and girls out there in creative land, maker land. Yeah, we're looking at my brushes, they're a mess. We're working on that. Well, I want to show you the update of the Big Frankie project, and he's all done. All I have to do is clear coat him. So let's see. And here he is, all done, all modded out and modern and everything else. I hope you enjoy seeing this in action, all the work I've done on it. And it really didn't take me much to do. I have a mold to that to this casting, so I can make as many as I want. It's actually practice painting, and just practice painting here. So there he is. Hope you like him. Ooh, in and out. Please rate and subscribe and ring the little bell to the right for more updates. And my updates are quick and to the point. They're not really long, so I'm not going to take up your time. And I hope you have a wonderful day.